The benefits of keeping a lemon next to your bed while you sleep. Hey there! Ever thought about why you should put a lemon next to your bed while you sleep? Well, today, I'm going to reveal some surprising benefits that might just convince you to give it a try. First off, just the scent of a fresh lemon can work wonders for your mood. It stimulates the messenger serotonin, which is responsible for putting you in a good mood. So imagine waking up feeling refreshed and in a better mood just because there's a lemon by your side. But wait, there's more. For maximum effect, cut a lemon once and sprinkle a little salt on it. The scent of lemon not only uplifts your mood but also has a calming and relaxing effect, which can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Plus, lemons can clear your airways, making it easier to breathe, especially for those with allergies or asthma. They have an antibacterial effect and can even stimulate your immune system. So, with all these amazing benefits, why not give it a try tonight? You can either place a sliced lemon or lemon slices in a bowl next to your bed, depending on your preference. And if the scent becomes too intense, simply move the lemon a bit further away from your head. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you too. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and here's to better sleep with a lemon by your side.